entertainment. Hello guys and welcome. In today's episode, as you probably already know from thumbnail, we'll be playing with the RX-7 and we'll be making it prettier simply. I should gather my thoughts together, and yeah, the outcome is, as I said, RX-7 will be now fired up after quite a break, so we'll see what's going to be an outcome. We'll put it back on the lift and then we'll start to play. Since we have a few parts gathered for this little beauty, so let's start the car. Yes, that's the plan for now, and we'll see how is she after a small delay. Yeah, Dominic, please record, because this could be no one knows what actually in the end, so let's try to fire it up. She is alive! Dominic is smiling. He wasn't expecting also that's gonna happen, and it's gonna be positive. The radio is trying to make my day even better. It's not possible. Once I'm sitting in an RX-7, there is nothing better what can happen. Let's go. And it starts working. We get rid all of the rust from the RX-7. Now it is almost rustless, to be honest. When the RX-7 came back from the operation of deleting the rust, I was looking at it totally in a different way, because finally it's as good as I would love it to be from the get-go. Now is the time to unpack the goodies that we'll be putting on my blue beauty. And the first part is actually body kit, which came a few months ago already, but we'll be waiting for the rims to complete the visual effect. But now let's put those parts out of the box, take them out of the box and see how they can look like when they will be put on the car. As probably you might notice already, with the very significant flare from the arches, it's gonna be a Fed GT3 body kit, which I think looks best in the case of a combination of the race and the street appearance in shape of RX-7. Let's put it next to the car and see how it's gonna look like. We are still missing few parts. I don't have a board, the splitter, which will be underneath the front bumper, and I don't have a few small bits, so we'll just put it together to see how it's gonna look like, but it's gonna happen soon, very soon for you. Making this box empty, we notice that we have a lot of Japanese entertainment inside, so the next step, after we will get rid of all the parts, we will definitely acknowledge ourselves with the wisdom of Japanese writing. And here we have also canards. Say hello to Ian.
Hey Ian!
Left side, so just for a comparison, you can see how it looks like on the right side, and now it's gonna be on the left. It's I would say it's significantly wider. We definitely need to rush, because the car doesn't want to stay in that shape for too long, but the biggest curiosity for now is if this little baby gonna fit into those arches. They're really wide, to be honest. They're a lot wider than the old one. But now is the moment of truth. So Dominic, camera is yours.
Okay.
I am not believing that this is gonna fit. I hope it's gonna fit actually with the shock absorber. Okay, it fits with shock. And
Yeah, it's good.
it doesn't look too bad. It looks quite good. It is maybe wider by like half centimeter or something. Probably once we will fit those correctly, it's going to be a bit wider. But if the tires would be a bit stretched, oh, like this, it's not bad.
Al dente.
My judgment wasn't too bad. It's actually really good. Oh, I love it. Jesus, it looks excellent. The first thing that comes to my mind is like I would love it to have in one color, you know, already. So it will be everything will be matching and perfectly fitted to the car. But the most important part is that this part, which puts the arch in the widest position, is definitely touching the chassis. So it looks like we're gonna fit.
Looks good, very good.
Also, man. Wow. Let's put the front and see how far we are from perfection. I hope that the fronts are more crucial. If you can take the cover. Fronts are a bit more crucial in my opinion, because you'll need to turn this thing, and once it's not gonna be possible to fit while the frame is turning, you will be in trouble. But will be known. Oh, here we have a bigger problem. I think. Yeah, we are a lot wider than the rear. But we will have to get some camber, put some camber also in front, and then it will fit. For now, that's it. We should maybe put the hood on too. It's not going to change much, and still we will probably need to adjust it. So every gaps will be perfect. So I think it's pointless for now to put the hood, but still we are waiting for sideboards, front splitter. We need to put the side skirts too, and I need to figure out what to do with the rear, and to figure out the sort of downforce element, because it's needed, and also a diffuser which also helps with the downforce. It's totally not about the visual appearance, visual effect. It's all efficiency and effect of putting the car to the ground. So that's the plan for now. And yeah, I'm simply enjoying the view. So I will definitely stay here for a bit just to look at it. So, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope we're gonna see this car soon in one color with tires rolling on the road, on the street. I cannot wait for that. Still need to wait a bit, need to be patient, but already have a bit, at least a bit to enjoy about the visual aspect of this thing. I love how it looks, and I think it's gonna look even better in its new shape. So, see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for joining. Take care.